Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. The stock which we are going to refer today is Action Constructions Equipment Limited. This stock is going to be another Escort Limited, as we all know that the Escort stock which is in the same sector, which is giving a huge returns in the future from the past 2 to 3 years. This stock Action Construction Limited Equipment is going to be in the same zone as well. If you see the chart on my screen, this stock was continuously in a bull phase from almost like 176 rupees until 400 rupees. If you see the chart on my screen, this is a very strong support this resistance line for this stock, which has broke with a heavy green candle with a heavy volume, which is almost like 400 and which is almost like 1.50 million volume. Once after the stock has broke the strong resistance zone, this is in a consolidated zone right now, which is going to break again the same consolidation and going into a new higher zones. Now the actual exact price to enter into the stock is going to be exactly in between at 473 to 480 rupees, and the target 1 is going to be at 500 rupees, and the target 2 is going to be 600 rupees. This stock is for a value investing, which is going to be a long term, which is at least in between 1 to 6 months of time. Please make sure you keep this stock under your radar and enter at the right price, which is going to be 473 to 480 rupees, and the target 1 again is going to be 500 rupees, and the target 2 is going to be 600 rupees. This stock is very strong in technical. If you see this chart over here, this is a bullish pennant pattern, which is going to be break soon, which is going to go in a new higher zones on the new highs. If you see the fundamentals of this company, this company is very strong in fundamental, as a market capital which is almost like 5,706 crore, and the dividend is paying as a 0.13% for this company. And this stock is in a hydraulic mobile cranes as well as mobile tower cranes, material handling equipment for the roads and the buildings and the construction. This stock is giving a good quarterly results on a quarter basis. If we compare it with the previous quarters, the current quarter profit is 47 crore, which is almost like very high comparing it with the previous quarters, and the current year profit is 173 crores, which is almost like as much as high when it compares with the previous years. If you see and compare it with the previous year profits, the 173 crore is the highest return for this company in the fiscal year March 2023. And the shareholding pattern is very good for this company. If you check the shareholding pattern, there were lots of big players which are already heavily invested into this company, and the promoters are holding the stake of 66.73%. and the more important is the technical analysis, which is ready for a breakout, which is already in a bullish sign, which is almost exactly at a very strong consolidated zone, which is going to go in a new higher zones, which is going to give us a good returns in the future, as I said, like which is in between 1 to 6 months of time. Please make sure you keep this stock under your radar and enter at the right price and exit at the right price. This is a very value investing and a long-term portfolio stock, so I would recommend you to keep this stock in your portfolio as much as you can, so that you will gain more in profits in the future. As I said in my previous video, the Nifty is in a consolidated mode right now, so please wait until for some time, until and unless this stock is going to be again retrace into this zone, so enter exactly at that price to gain more in profits. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe my channel, so that you will get a notification whenever I posted a videos on breakout stocks as well as multi-bagger stocks or a value investing stocks. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.